I don't even know what this is. It comes from Amazon. When it came, it was rolled up like a sleeping bag, and I just heard it pop, and I came in here, and it's then popped open, so it's ready to pop out. I'm gonna cut it open, but if you can guess what this is before I pop it open, put it in the comments. Okay, it says do not puncture, so I gotta make sure not to cut it. I think this is maybe a dog bed. I think this is a dog bed. Um, yeah, I don't want it to pop open. I don't want it to pop. Let's see. What is it? Maybe it's a stuffed animal. Maybe a stuffed animal. Oh, I can't cut. Hmm. What is it? Come on. I gotta put the phone down. What is it? See there, reading is fundamental. It says, "Do not open with sharp objects." Oh, okay. It's not. It's not. Wait. Wait. It's not a dog bed. It's a pillow. It's just a big pillow. Wow. Okay. All right. Wow. I gotta look this up. See how much it costs. If I find it, I'll leave a link in the description. Yay. It feels good. This is nice. It feels really good. All right. Yay.